How to send Interac e-transfer in RBC. So you can do this directly inside the app, of course, and RBC does say you can send money using the recipient's email address or mobile number. So you don't need to use their bank account number. So in your RBC mobile app, you can go ahead here in the bottom right, find Move Money. Inside Move Money, you should be able to find the Interac e-transfer option. So just go ahead and press on that. And then you're going to press on this, which is Send an Interac e-transfer. Then you'll be able to see the Send Money section. So from this point, you're going to go ahead and press or choose whichever account you want to take from, the amount, and then to who you want to send to, so the recipient. And then if you want, you can also notify a recipient by a specific method, so you can choose whichever, and then when you want this to happen and how many times. Then a message if you like, maybe it's a birthday gift or something, you can type that in, and then just go ahead and press on continue. And if the recipient does have auto deposit, the money can go straight into their account without a security question. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.